Hey guys, welcome back to Chris Hairpire, to my old and returning subscribers. And if this is your first time learning on this channel, my new subscriber, you're welcome. So just go ahead and hit that subscribe button to become a full member of this family. So what's going on? How you doing? Hope everybody is doing well. So in this video, I'll be showing you how I take off the Locs extension that I added to these locks, because what I'm actually taking off right now is a handmade extension that I made and added to the locks for it to be longer. So that is the extension. I just took it off. That's what I added to it. So when I extended her hair, it wasn't this long, so it's been over a year. This extension has been over a year on her hair, so her hair, her locks have grown and cannot even hold it into a ponytail. So guys, right here I want to lock her hair. Like she has new growth, so we are going to be locking it. So I'm just going to show you a few demonstration of how to do it, should in case you want to start your lock or you have somebody who is doing locks. So this is it. So you grab the hair, you twist it around, insert the crochet, feed the hair into the crochet and pull it over like I'm doing. Please, when doing, if just change the direction. Like if the first time you insert the lash hook from the left, you can do it the next time from the right, from the center, behind, just so that when the lock is growing, it should be a uniform locks. Like the shape should be uniform. See right here, I'm sending from down, pushing up. So here I'm sending from up, pushing down. And right now I'll be sending from the center in the middle outward. So please don't keep sending from one direction, and the last direction to which you're going to lock it is very important. It must be from the center behind coming in front, so that your locks will look good in front. And it also depends on the direction that you want the locks to lay looking. Like if you want it laying looking backward, so that you can easily style it or hold it into a ponytail, then the last direction must always be from the center, from back in the center to the front. So that's it. So here I'm just applying spray to give it that shine. So guys, if you are not yet subscribed to this channel, what are you waiting for? Just go ahead and click that subscribe button to become a full member of this family. Subscribe to this video, subscribe to me, subscribe to, in fact, this channel. Yes, subscribe, and please don't forget to share this video. Share the video to whoever needs to see the video. Just share and share. Her locks are actually looking good. So guys, see you in my next video. Bye.